Let's get to the point. This was one of the most delicious cream puffs I've tried, and it's from a new and beautiful cafe in the New Manila area of Quezon City named Second Mile Coffee. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order, and I learned about them from Coffee Architect's post. Please follow and support him also for great cafe finds. The place is gorgeous and sophisticated. It has a modern, brutalist concrete vibe, thankfully warmed up by the most creative use ng mga sako ng kape na ginawang ceiling lamps. I am obsessed with this idea. Lesson siya na kung anong mga leftover materials natin pwedeng maging social and high-impact na decor, need lang ng imagination and sophisticated taste. I tried three items. Number one, Americano, iced, 160 pesos. Number two, Spanish latte, iced, 220 pesos. Number three, vanilla cream puff, 150 pesos. May 20% discount till end of February, so punta na kayo soon. The Americano was delicious. I would describe it as a mix of 60% of coffee strong flavor and 40% fruity and citrusy. The Spanish latte, delicious siya for me, but I need to really inform you, hindi ito yung usual na overly sweet Spanish latte na puro condensed milk. Quieter pero more luxurious ang flavor nito kasi social ang feeling ng milk nila. I'm not sure what milk they use, but if you visited the US, the milk they used here tastes like half and half to me. Ito yung parang heavier na cream. The vanilla cream puff was quiet and sophisticated sa flavor, not overly sweet but luxurious. And that pretty much describes Second Mile Coffee. Hindi loud ang flavors, pero rich ang flavors. That's the best way I would describe their items and them as a cafe. And true to their name, the magic is in the craft and ingredients. They really went the extra mile to produce what they offer. Nafe-feel ko talaga yung higher standards nila. Maganda din ang bathroom, magaling at maalaga din ang staff. Some quick information. Number one, open sila Monday to Sunday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Number two, cash and GCash only. Number three, may 9 parking slots sila around the cafe. Number four, no Wi-Fi. And number five, walang charging outlets. Pero pwede kang makicharge sa bar area nila. Click follow for the next story.